Hello everyone, welcome to Minority Finances. Today, we're diving into a rewarding topic, budgeting. Regardless of your stage of life, managing your finances can be a game changer. Let's start by understanding what a budget is. A budget is your financial roadmap, guiding your spending decisions and helping you prioritize your resources. It's not about restrictions, it's about empowerment and control. Step 1 to budgeting is tracking your income. That includes salary, side hustle profits, or even passive income. Understanding your total earnings is foundational to knowing your spending capacity. Step 2 is listing your expenses. Begin with your fixed monthly bills like rent, utilities, car payment, insurance, and subscriptions. After that, account for your variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and shopping. Utilize budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to make your financial tracking easier. Such tools offer an organized way to manage your income and expenses. Step 3 is setting your savings goal. Whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a crucial purchase, remember that even small savings accumulated over time matter. Step 4 is fine-tuning your spending. Sometimes, this might mean cooking at home instead of eating out, or prioritizing needs over wants. Remember, your budget should work for you, not against you. Finally, remember your budget is tailored to you, and it's fine to adjust it as you learn more about your spending habits. Consistency is key. I'm rooting for you to take this first step today. Let us know how it goes in the comments, and ask us any questions if needed. Thank you for tuning in.